So are you ready to make the Caesar dressing? I have a half a cup of the vegan mayo. There's maple syrup, about a tablespoon the liquid aminos, or you could use tamari, whichever you have. Capers right here. There's just going to be maybe 2 teaspoons or so of capers, just the capers, not the liquid from it. There's the nutritional yeast. If any of you guys are just using this for the first time, it's what gives it that cheesy taste. We'll be using this quite a bit. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. There's the Dijon mustard right there, apple cider vinegar, and the, I said the vegan mayo. And these are roasted garlic that I have that I don't want to go to waste. So I'll take one of those and add to my dressing. I realized once I got everything in place that I do not have lemons. Not to worry, if you don't have an ingredient, you just go without it, or you can use a substitute. It may alter the taste a little, but not that much. So because I'm adding the apple cider vinegar, which is my acid, I don't feel at a loss too much. So we're going in. Let's make this. I forgot to mention the olive oil. So it's I'm gonna do about a tablespoon, probably a little less than that, and the apple cider vinegar, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, give or take. Okay, so I've got it all in there, and now we're gonna blend it up. If you don't have a blender or a little fancy, or capers in your garlic a little bit, and then put it in a mason jar, shake it real well, and you'll have just as good a dressing as any. Okay, so everything's in. I'm gonna blend this baby up. All right, so we're gonna start this out on low. And that's it. Let's taste it. Remember, this doesn't have the lemon juice in it. Let's see if it... And it's still magically delicious. Caesar dressing. Vegan, that is. So you pour it into a container. A smaller container, even better. You want something with a nice airtight top. This is the top that came with the jar that I had from mayonnaise, Veganese. And then it stores in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks.